arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Explanation. This quote emphasizes the importance of determination and perseverance in achieving one's goals. It encourages students to rise above obstacles, stay awake to their responsibilities, and continue striving until they attain success in their pursuits. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Explanation. Vivekanand believed that education is not just about acquiring knowledge from external sources, but a process of discovering and unfolding the inherent potential within each individual. It suggests that every student possesses innate talents and capabilities that need to be nurtured through education. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Explanation. Vivekanand encourages students to embrace challenges and take calculated risks in life. Even if they don't achieve immediate success, the experience gained from facing adversity will eventually empower them to guide others and become better leaders in the future. The greatest sin is to think yourself weak. Explanation. This thought emphasizes the importance of self-confidence and self-belief. Vivekanand believed that doubting one's abilities and considering oneself weak could hinder progress and success. Instead, students should have faith in their potential and strive for excellence.